Hello, welcome. Okay, so this is the first one. I just want to say before we get off, thank you so much. I didn't expect that much support from everyone, so honestly, I'm really grateful. Thank you very much. It's really nice to see so many nice words, and it's lovely. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments and things. And I hope you can, I hope you can smile from this. I hope it, takes any stress off you've got today. You know what I mean? Just for a few minutes, just no stress. Just enjoy and just smile. Anyway, I'm going to crack on. I've got my little plan right here. We're going to do today. I've got my little starter, main and plenary. Right, so I want to start with some fun facts. So these are 6 facts that I've learned today that I had no idea about. So here's the first one. If you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it can't actually hop. So if you lift a kangaroo's tail off the ground, it can't actually hop. So I had no idea about that. Number 2, the inventor of the Frisbee, when he passed away, they actually cremated him and they put him in a Frisbee. So that's the inventor of the Frisbee is now a Frisbee, which is a bit mad. All right, fact number 3 I've learnt today. Might be one for the children, a bit more smelly one. Right, so the top 6 foods that will make you Trump are beans, corn, bell peppers, cauliflower, cabbage and milk. So they're the most stinkiest foods you can get. All right, number 4. Here's the 4th fact that I've learnt today. No, number 5 even. So the average male gets bored of a shopping trip within 26 minutes. I think that's a bit generous. So males that hate shopping will usually get bored after 26 minutes, apparently, according to science. But I think that's a bit generous. It depends on the shopping you do, you know what I mean? And then finally, last but not least, in the 16th century, women from Turkish could file... start again, let me read this correctly. So fact number 6 that I've learnt today is, in the 16th century, Turkish women could initiate divorce if their husbands don't pour coffee out for them. So could you imagine that if your other half doesn't make you a cup of tea or a coffee? No, we're going to get a divorce. So that's the fun fact today. Alright, one final fact is this. Did you know, on a dice, the opposite sides always equal 7? I know a few of my teacher friends will know that, but that's just a little clue into something we're going to do in a bit. So remember that. Opposite sides of a dice always equal to 7. Right, so we're going to move on now. So there's your first activity, okay? So funnily enough, I have a dice. I have a dice right here. Now, thank you, Pascal. I know you're in Germany right now, but thank you for teaching me this last year. I did not get this at all for the longest time, and then it finally clicked. So this is called the Dice Forest. Now, we have bears, pond, and fish. So remember that, bears, pond, and fish. So I'm going to put the dice on the floor, on the ground. I'm going to show you it. Let me just work out how I can turn around. There we go. Right, okay, I'm going to turn around. Right. So, down here, we have a dice, okay? So remember those 3 things. Bears, like the big raw bears, pond and fish. So, on the dice forest, we have no pond, 4 bears, and no fish. Okay? Right. So how does that work? How does that work, you might be thinking? Well, we're going to try a new number. Okay. In this forest, we have no pond, 2 bears, and no fish. What does he mean? What does that mean? I'm going to try another number. So if you just joined in, basically, the dice has a story. So every number, there's either going to be bears, a pond, or a fish. You just need to work out how. What does that mean? How does this trick work? So on this number, we have 1 pond, we have 2 bears, and we have 4 fish. Alright, we're going to go for a new number we haven't done yet. So we haven't done. Let's do this one. So on this number, we have 1 pond, 0 bears, and 6 fish. Okay, right, I want to do one more with the different side of the dice. We'll go for 5. There we go. So on this forest, we have 1 pond, 4 bears, and 2 fish. Alright, and then the last one, I think we need to do 6. That's the last one we need to do. So on this one, we have 6 bears, no pond, and no fish. Okay, I'm going to reveal that probably tomorrow, so have a little think. So remember, bears, pond and fish, and you can always watch your back if you need to know. So I'll reveal that tomorrow. So that's the dice forest trick, okay? Right, moving back over. So I've got one last little challenge for you. One last little thing today, okay? Just bear with me 1 second. Please don't drop. Please don't drop. There we go. Right, here's your last one. So this is our plenary. All right, here we go. I hope this is going to come out okay. So on my little whiteboard, I've written 12 letters. I'm hoping it's not backwards for you. Is it backwards for you? If anyone could just let me know in the chat. Is it backwards? Hopefully it's not mirrored. I hope it's okay. Wow, it's a long word, okay? Okay, so with this word, with this arrangement of letters, can you unscramble them to make the longest word possible? I want to know which one of you used the brain box, okay? Oh, is it all right, Beth? Nice one. Sick, thank you. So, which one of you can make the longest word out of these scrambled letters? Oh, it's backwards. Okay, right. I'll tell you what, I will write it down in the comments so you can see all the letters, and let's just see if you can make the longest word going. Okay? Right, okay, right. Well, that was it for today. This is just a test, just to test the waters and see how it's going. But honestly, thank you so much for the support. I hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world, and I hope it can make you smile a little bit. So yeah, thank you very much for that, and I will see you possibly tomorrow or the next day. But definitely, I'll do one of these a week, and we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, good luck with the challenge. I want to know if you get the dice. Comments are delayed to come through, by the way. Oh, okay, cool. I didn't know that. That's good to know. So yeah, good luck with the dice game. And if you can unscramble that word, I'm going to post a comment now and see if you can unscramble the word. So good luck and see you next time. All right, bye-bye.